Hello guys, this is Aaron from HISINGY. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to bind your Stargazer mini drone to your HISINGY account. So first of all, you will need to download the HISINGY app and create your HISINGY account. And second of all, you'll need one of those item ID cards. So depending on your region or which kind of combo you got, if it's the Ready to Fly Super Combo or the Bind to Fly combo, you're either gonna get a single piece of item ID card like this, or you're gonna get fancy looking envelope like this with a story letter in it, and the item ID card is actually folded somewhere in the last page. Yep, right here. All right, so let me demonstrate how it works with this item ID card. All right, so first of all, you need to power up your drone. All right, definitely turn on your controller just to be safe. You don't have to wait for the drone to initialize. You can just open up the HISINGY app, go to device page on the bottom left. Okay, so the app is prompting you to add item. So scan the QR code and connect your aircraft. Add other item the same way. All right, so we're gonna tap on add item. Okay, all right. Or just tap it again. All right, right here, we want to scan the QR code on the item ID card, right here. All right, it's recognizing the item ID for the Stargazer mini drone. All right, let's tap on let's go. Okay, now it's gonna prompt you to connect to the drone's Bluetooth. Our search. All right, we just found you see this Bluetooth name with a Stargazer and random numbers. So this is your Stargazer mini drone. You can actually change the Bluetooth name later. For now, let's tap on connect. Let's tap on this name. All right, it's connecting. All right, we're in. So register this mini drone. Okay, new flight controller firmware. We just tap on not now. Okay, register now. All right, register successful. So for now, this Stargazer mini drone is registered under your account. And the flight time and the crashes you get will actually count towards the airtime, the flights, and the crashes. And then you will earn experiences and synergy, and then you will slowly level up. The more you fly, the more experience, the more synergy you're gonna get. And you will level up slowly, and you'll gain more performance, so you can tune your drone, you can beef up the performance, and make it faster and more agile. So this concludes how you register your Stargazer mini drone to your HISINGY account. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.